Okay, here's a situation. We're at Grandma's house. As per usual, something is leaking, or broken, or twisted, or cracked. And more often than not, this man, Peter Lee, brother-in-law,
Plumber.
Plumber.
Fixer. Chainsaw guy?
jack of all trades, is leading the charge. So essentially, the problem is,
Follow us over here.
let's come on down the stairs. Down. Keep in mind, this house is probably 120 years old at this point.
Mm-hmm.
As you can see, the primary wall is actually made of lava rock. This house burnt down about 10 years ago,
Yep.
and they rebuilt it in a very odd fashion, mostly because the house was weird. So this is her plumbing situation. If you can kind of see that,
It's way up there.
way up there. I'm in the basement, but anyway, she's got hard water, typical problem of Arizona, and we need to somehow replace this fixture right there.
Where it's
But-
missing.
Yep, but the challenge is we're not plumbers.
We don't know what we're doing.
Anything could go wrong, but I do know that we just got a blowtorch, some copper pipe.
Nothing can go wrong when you're working with
Yeah,
fire.
I mean, I've watched enough TV to know that you just melt some stuff together and it just works. There's no way something can go wrong. So we're going to give this a shot.
We went to Home Depot. The guy in the plumbing department told us how to do it. I mean, what can go wrong?
All right, so let's get to it.
Here's what we gotta fix. This piece is leaking right here.
Show me.
Right there. That little teeny problem. At Home Depot, they don't make this piece anymore. So we gotta take this little piece off of this to make a new one. So what do we got? Blowtorch. Hot, hot, hot. Copper brand. Ooh, look how shiny and pretty. I've already started to sand a little bit of this with our super cool sandy shiny maker jobber
From where?
from the Harbor Freight. Ow, can't go wrong with those guys. And of course, if you're working with heat, what better than gloves? We opted not to do rubber gloves. We figured that would just end up melting to our hands. We got some leather ones, a little bit of cloth, make it all sure it's clean and shiny. Here we go.
All right, Pete, walk us through this.
So here's what we got to do. Prep all these surfaces for the new pieces. Put some flux on with our, oh geez, our sweet fluxerometer. That's what this is called. And make sure we flux all these guys really, really good so that when our joint comes together, it flows right where it needs to. And we end up with a nice sweated joint, as they say in the industry.
Are you in the industry?
Oh, absolutely not. And get it put together. All right? One more piece. You're holding it. Thank you. Flux my lux. Let's see if we can start assembling some of this stuff together. Beautiful. Just the way we wanted it to go.
Just like my mom always said, if it doesn't fit, push harder.
Yep. Oh, like a glove. Now does that look like our old part that we got a nice replacement, brand new version of? Well, it won't even stay together anymore.
That's how beat it is.
It's time to solder.
Do it, Pete.
Okay, here we go.
The finished piece.
Looking good. Burn. Looking good. You know what they say? If it's not burning,
You ain't learning.
you ain't learning. Not that it matters.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Let's go put her in, see if it leaks. This is the part you gotta do in the manly boys.
Real good.
Real good. Because once it's on there, it's got to seal the water in there so we don't have any problems down the road. The long, dusty road. Ah, yeah. Looks good? Looks good. Let's do this.
All right. I'm not sure if it's cool yet or not, so I'm going to get a little tappy. Tap? Tappy? Doesn't hurt. Doesn't hurt. Ah! Okay,
still-
don't leave it there too long.
Okay.
Still a little hot.
It's a good indicator.
But we're well on our way to cooling down.
Woo!
Okay, a little time has passed. We think it's cool enough. Tap, tappy, tap.
Oh. The official heat test. Cool to go.
Nice.
Pipe wrench me.
Pipe wrench. You, my friend, are a master with the pipe wrench. Assuming you don't fall off this ledge. Get that female piece to...
Just right. That female piece just to loosen up a little bit, and then the male will go right in there. That's how we like it, nice and easy. Pipe wrench me. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah.
Drum roll, please.
Here we go. Got everything put in place. Time to turn the valve on. Oh, actually, I was just bracing for the worst.
And then the other one explodes.
Boom!
And it's dripping. A lot.
Oh no, we do have a little drip right here. All right, back at it. You know what they say? 400 times the charm, or maybe our fourth or fifth, I guess, attempt at this. But we're just gonna put a little more Teflon right on this threading right here. All right, we've added a little Teflon tape. These threads. This nut's seen some better days. Fortunately, even before we got to it, I think I could have been wrenched on a couple times. But here we go. Get her tightened up. If I can go the right way.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Oh, come on. A little bit tighter. Okay. There we go. I think we're good.
Drum roll again.
Let's see. Got it here. Well, so far, no drips. Holy crap, we might have done this. Do you see a drip, Michael?
Not from this angle.
I don't see a drip. Oh, there's a tiny bit of water right there. Just right there, deep a little bit. I think we got her.
All right, well, it seems that the pipe is holding strong. No leaks. It was a little painful, a little touch and go there, but
We didn't burn anything down. We played with a lot of fire.
there's still time.
Yeah, there was a chance. We're looking good. Dry. 2 thumbs up from this project of not plumbers,
Not plumbers.
but pest, hornet, wasper guys.
Good job, Pete.
Hey.